Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Kevin. I'm with Digital Marketing U, and I'm coming to you with a Google Analytics 4 video talking about how to see your traffic source and where they're coming from. This is a beginner video, so if you are intermediate to an advanced user in Google Analytics, you can skip this video. So let's just jump right in here and help the folks out that are new to GA4 and they want to understand their data better so that they can make the best decision possible when optimizing or trying to increase traffic to their website through certain channels. Right off the bat, you want to go to the left-hand side to see that report. Obviously, it's called report. It's very intuitive, very straightforward, no guessing here. While you're under reports, right, you're presented with these other options. Now, you want to see where your traffic source is coming from. What Google calls that is acquisitions. How is the traffic being acquired? Now, self-explanatory again, go to traffic acquisitions. This is the part where people get a little bit lost because they see this right here, they see this right here, and they're like, well, what does this all mean? What is organic? What is direct? What does referral? What is unassigned? Why is it unassigned? So let's answer those questions right now. Direct is when somebody types your website URL, for example, www.internjohncomedy.com, into this URL bar, right? They're directly typing internjohncomedy.com and then hitting enter, and it's taking me to the website directly. It's taking a little bit of time here, taking its sweet time, but it'll get there. It's being redirected to tickets, which is understandable because this website is trying to push ticket sales, and we want them to see the tickets available so that they could buy the tickets from these for these venues here to go see the show. So that's direct. Organic social is saying, I am on Facebook and I post my website or this website link on one of my posts, and someone just happens to click on that link that comes to the website. That's organic social. Same with organic search. Someone goes into google.com and then they're like, oh, who is Intern John? They type that in, right? Intern John Comedy. And they're like, oh, here's the website. They click on that. That's going to take them directly to the website from a search result. So that's organic search results. And then referrals. What that means is, say, for example, internjohncomedy.com was on my website, InspireMN.com, and the person clicked on that link on Inspire.com, it would bring them to this website. That would be a referral traffic because I am putting internjohncomedy.com on my own website and then directing you as a user to his website to see what's on it. So that's referral. Unassigned just means there wasn't a parameter set for where the traffic source came from. And it's an unknown. We don't know where it is. We don't know where it's coming from, but they're getting to our website somehow. Some folks want to get a little bit deeper with the information, and rightfully so, because that's going to help you understand where your audience is mostly engaged, where they're coming from, why, and should you invest more time into that channel. So if you want to see that information, there are a few different ways to do that. You're going to go under here. There's this little drop down arrow, right? And it's going to, you're presented with these options here: session source / medium / session mediums session source. So think of source as the next step to channel. It goes a little bit deeper to the channel. Kind of like one of those Russian dolls, right? You start with the bigger doll, and then as you open it, it goes into the smaller section, which is going to discover more information. So if I choose that source here, session source, now it's telling me, okay, some traffic is coming from Facebook. Traffic is coming from Google. Traffic is coming from this website, this source, etc., right? So that's how you can start to understand your data better so that you can make the best decision on where you can invest your time or optimizing your website so that you can better engage your audience. Now, with all this information presented, you're like, okay, now I know that where the source is, coming from? What page are they actually landing on? You can see that, say you're having multiple campaigns or multiple different links on sites. Say, for example, right, like there's the homepage to your website, and then there's a photo album section to your website, etc. You want to see where people are landing at immediately when they come to your website, aka the landing page. You can do that by adding another parameter here, or dimension, and you're going to say, okay, I want to see what page, like you have all these other parameters / dimensions here. You're asking the question, I want to see what page they landed on. This answers your question right here, right? So you go in and you say, okay, landing page or page path. I always choose the page path because landing page sometimes don't have titles on them, and it can like really bog you down and try to figure things out. So I always use the page path because of this reason here. It tells you what page they directly landed on when they clicked on the link to get to your website. This is where they're being directed to and how they got there, right? So this is the source, this is where they came from, and this is where they ended up. And this makes sense because a lot of our main homepage, www.internjohncomedy.com, is being redirected to the tickets page. So we're expecting that behavior here, and then everything else is just a bonus. Like they came to the meet and greet photo, they found our website, obviously they searched, and then they saw that there was a photo link, they clicked on that link, and they came to our website by clicking on that link. Hopefully that was helpful. If not, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section and I can help answer that question. But if you like this information, you found it useful, please like, share, subscribe for the next video coming up. And thank you for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Peace.